And here, the flagship example, of course, are these autonomous weeding robots. This is an example of a spin-off of ETH Zurich. In this particular case, the robot is running over the field, identifying weeds, and is applying laser to eliminate the weeds. So this is, of course, completely replacing the use of pesticides, the use of herbicides here. However, this is still very expensive, focused on specific crops, highly valuable, usually applied here in vegetable production, and it's not yet widely scalable. There are other examples of substitution that are enabled with digital technologies. I stay in Switzerland with my examples, but this is today the most widely used strategy to control the corn borer in Switzerland, whether in organic or non-organic farming systems. This is based on trichogrammas, so parasitoid wasps, and they are distributed with a drone. So this is a very straightforward service that you can book as a farmer, and then a drone pilot comes, and then the drone is dropping these balls with the trichogramma, and then corn borer control is very straightforward. And this is only enabled because this system with the drone is there and straightforward to use and very cost efficient. So now we talked about efficiency and substitution that would reduce pesticide use or replace pesticide use in specific cases. However, it's basically not addressing the root cause of the problem, so to say. You still have the pest pressure that you need to fight. And this is the next layer that I would suggest, that digital technologies also have the potential to support the redesign of agriculture systems.